football, rugby and netball teams from different towns under the Amahlati local municipality took part in the third annual Mayor's Cup at the Katkat Sports Ground, competing for a top sport. Amahlati Mayor Nomakhosazana Nonqai says that apart from unearthing raw talent, they aim to steer young people away from drugs and other societal issues they are facing.
Apha sizophuhlisa italente okokuqala. Apha sizama ukuqokelela abantwana into yobana mabaphume kwi-drugs, baphume etywaleni, baphume nakuzo zonke izinto ezingalunganga. Kuba kaloku i-future yabo yi-future yeli lizwe. So singlo masipala seMahlathi sizama ukuthi plow back to the youth, ibone nayo into yobana ikhathalelwe nglo masipala.
Katkat residents showed up in large numbers to support the tournament.
Besibaboneke nabantu abadala apho makhulu sabanika ingubo kubanda bezobukela abazukulwana babo. Into esiye sayivuyela kakhulu leyo enqabileyo kwindawo sihlala kuzo uba abazali beze bazobukela abantwana begcwele oomama apha nootatomkhulu bezobukela nabazukulwana. So sithi siyabulela ze kuqhubeke kubheke phambili yonke nale mihla izayo. Inkosi kakhulu.
Teams from Katkat dominated the tournament, winning the first prize in football and rugby and walking away with 10,000 rands. Former Bafana player Siyabonga Nomvete graced the event and advised young athletes to prioritize education.
Inhlonipho ibalulekile nokuthi uhloniphe ekhaya, uhloniphe esikoleni, nokuthi umuntu attende nesikole yabona ngoba ibhola adinga ukuthi ube star, lingakhuphula likwehlise. Le ndlela engihambile kumina ukubatshengisa ukuthi inhlonipho iyona ezokuthatha ikubeke phambili kuzo zonke izinto ezifisayo empilweni yakho ngoba if udlala ibhola any sport any code abawenzayo kumanje ba kubhizi nje kwi-Mayor's Cup bangafikelela kuma netball badlala ama national team, ungafikelela eEurope udlalela i-national team Bafana.
Nomvete stated that for the next tournament he will rope in scouts from the 3 Premier Soccer League teams in KZN, that's Durban City, Golden Arrows and Amazulu. He believes that these teams can discover a lot of talent from the tournament. I am Yamkela Mchiyo for MPK News in Katkat.